Welcome back everyone, and it's getting to that time of year where I'm starting to think of travelling around a little bit, and I needed to have a look at a few bits and pieces in the way that I travel to make my life easier, and I'm just going to go through some of the bits. That's it. So yeah, slightly techie bits. It's a techie suitcase, in case you're wondering. So the beauty of this suitcase is literally we have bits on the top there that I can undo, and I can either open the front and I can stick the laptop straight into there, which is fantastic. I can put a power bank into the front there as well. I've then got the storage area into there, and let's have a little look at that. And we got a fairly decent storage area with TSA lock thing that's on it. We've got a little compartment behind there for shoes and bits and pieces and a few other bits into there. All the frame, literally you can unzip to get behind it, so if anything gets stuck or this, that and the other, I'm sure in the future you can do it. I've got to be honest, I'm using this locally. I'm not looking at going further afield with this particular one, maybe short hops, etc. But it's all about local. So I'm taking the laptop 9 times out of 10, or I'm taking a remarkable device, something like that, to just get what I need in reality. So it's nice to have that. The laptop bit was important to me because I don't want it in my day bag where I'm going off photographing, because too much weight, what's the point? So that's quite nice. Obviously you'll have seen some close-ups of this, so you'll have seen all the little bits and pieces, but that's a nice level 8 or whatever it's called. It's the brand. I'll put the link down below. And yeah, so far it's been on a good few trips with me. I absolutely love it. It does have a USB port in the top so you can put the power bank in, which then brought me to this travel cable. So it's an old style USB-A because it matched what's in the case. Wish I could change that for a USB-C, but hey ho. But then it goes through to 3 connectors, and these are all live at the same time actually. So we've got a micro, we've got a USB and C, and we've got a lightning connector. Now the beauty of this is that by taking this, I know all my kit's going to be charged, and I'm going to be able to charge from my watches to everything else. I can use this in case I get stuck in a hotel before. And that brings us then on to this little thing, which is, that is so tiny. And the reason it's tiny, and this is UK based, you don't necessarily have the same problem in the US. This is a USB-C charger. Literally opens up, swivels round, and it turns into a UK plug. Let's see, there you go. That is just so neat, because that means that I can just keep that in there all the time, not taking up any space, not going into laptop screens and everything else, which is my biggest bugbear, is some prongs sticking out. And it just works. And it's a 20, I want to say 20 watt. Yeah, it's a 20 watt on the USB-C and 15 on the USB-A that's coming out into that. It's got variant. I don't know why it's got differences. I suppose differences in the USB cables. But yeah, so it got 20 watt coming out of that, which is great for charging my phone, everything else into there as well. So that's really, really nice. And then the last little thing, if you're anything like me, you go away, you have your dirty laundry in the corner of the hotel room, then you go and you go, I don't really want to put that in with all the other stuff, the smeggy stuff. You'll have your swimming trunks in there, everything. So that's where these came along, and there's a couple of different sizes. They came in a kit, and they're literally travel bags that waterproof, seal them up. You got a little carry handle if you want to, if you're taking that down to the swimming pool and stuff. It's marked as laundry, so you know, you go straight back, put it into your laundry when you get back. It's little things like that that make a huge difference. And it just annoys me that I'm always looking for a carrier bag. So I thought, get something permanent for a few quid and just have that going forwards, because that's going to make a difference. And then the only other thing that I've done on the case is, which I can't undo, is a luggage tag. So the luggage tag was something that was off Etsy, and we've just got my name and stuff engraved into it. I don't know if you're really going to see that. There you go, it's just got name engraved into it. It's not obvious, you've got to look at it because it's not coloured. It's got a metal clasp that screws itself together to go into there. And that just satisfies my needs, that it's something there all the time. It's not obvious. It's not distracting. It's made of plastic, in all fairness. And it's, yeah, it's just nice. Little touches, I think. So there you have it. Very simple little tech travel set. We're not trying to be overly complicated here. We're trying to have the bare minimum that you keep in this kit all the time so that you don't forget things, because the amount of times that I've gone away and forgotten a charger for my phone because I'm just stupid, or I've left it in the car and I don't want to go back down and get it and things like that. This just makes life a lot easier if you've got all these little bits and pieces. And having a sort of suitcase that you can go away for just 1-2 days and just have all your kit in, take your laptop and everything else into it so it's all protected and you're not taking several different bags, which is a real pain in the backside. Yeah, just makes a difference. Anyway, if you've got any tips or stuff that you can't go away without, put it in the comments down below. I want to know about it. I want to see what there is and maybe think, do I need that in my kit? So drop it down, like and subscribe if you like this. Look forward to seeing you on the next one.